I am Mostro Machine Timson. In the last 15 years, Mostro is presenting the machinery and technology to abroad to help the customer from India, Africa, Iran, Vietnam, and different countries to set up their factory with the latest technology. In this time online Canton fair, we present the cookware production line with different machinery technology, and also the tea kettle as well as the lunchbox. So in China, now lunchbox business is very good. I think that the business to make the lunchbox could be very good. So we know how to make the right lunchbox production line. How does mixing bowl produced by the automatic line? Let me bring you to the workshop. Here have 6 lines to produce 18,000 pieces per day. Stainless steel material thickness is from 0.5 to 0.8 mm. One worker watches 2 lines for 10 hours in a workday. We Mostro Machinery welcome all around the customer come to China Canton Fair online, have the discussion about the machinery.